October 1930, an historical event occurred. On this day, a historic discovery of Pluto was made, which is still considered a major milestone in the field of astronomy. It is smaller than many moons, such as Ganymede, Callisto, Titan, and even our moon. And after Eris, it is the second largest dwarf planet known in our solar system. Therefore, in such a vast sky, finding such a small planet was not easy, because right after Pluto, it is the second largest astronomical object in the Kuiper Belt. Based on these assumptions, Pluto was also discovered. Astronomer Dosto, today in this episode, we will learn about the discovery of Pluto and some facts related to it. The discovery of the distant Pluto planet was an event of curiosity. In 1840, the German astronomer Urbain Le Verrier theorized that there might be another planet beyond Uranus, whose gravity could be affecting Uranus's orbit. Due to this, Urbain Le Verrier's study was gaining significant attention. After analyzing these discrepancies, Urbain Le Verrier hypothesized the existence of another planet beyond Uranus, which was absolutely correct, and in this way, Neptune was discovered. Until the end of the 19th century, we were searching for the eighth planet of our solar system. Astronomers were trying to understand the mysterious movements of the planets, and still, there was a lot of mystery surrounding the study of Uranus and Neptune. Something was influencing the orbits of these two planets. Perhaps there will be a new planet. This was the thought of Percival Lowell, who was the founder of Lowell Observatory in Arizona. In 1894, Lowell initiated a search operation to find the ninth planet, which he named Planet 10. By 1909, Lowell and his associates had made assumptions about the existence of the ninth planet. During this search, Lowell passed away, and later, the discovery was made by Clyde Tombaugh. Clyde Tombaugh continued the search for Planet 10. Clyde Tombaugh continued the search for Planet 10, where Lowell had predicted its existence. After some time, Clyde Tombaugh discovered an object that was slightly moving from its position. This was our ninth planet. After the discovery of Pluto, it was found that Pluto's size and mass are so small that it cannot have a significant gravitational impact on Uranus and Neptune. Due to this fact, the calculation of the planet's orbit by Percival Lowell was proving to be incorrect, although Pluto's orbit and position were the same as predicted by Lowell. During this time, the search for Planet 10 was continuing unsuccessfully. In the end, it remained unanswered. It was concluded from the observations that there is no evidence of Planet 10. During the search for Pluto, Planet 10 remained a significant mystery. Before Pluto was named, two other celestial bodies were considered. Pluto is so far from us that it takes light several hours to reach it. It takes Pluto 248 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun, and a day on Pluto is equivalent to about 6 Earth days. Due to its great distance from the Sun, the surface temperature here remains as low as -200 degrees Celsius. Due to the extremely low temperatures, it is mostly in the form of frozen ice here. In its atmosphere, nitrogen, methane, carbon monoxide, and other gases are found. It is believed that the amount of nitrogen in its atmosphere is almost constant. There is not much information available about its composition. It is believed that its surface is made of ice, dust, and rocks. Due to Pluto's orbit being highly elliptical, when it is closest to the Sun, its distance from the Sun is about 30 astronomical units. At that time, in its atmosphere, nitrogen is mostly present in the form of gas, but when it is at the farthest distance from the Sun, its distance from the Sun is about 49 astronomical units, and at that time the atmosphere here completely freezes. Even after Pluto's reclassification as a dwarf planet, it is still considered the largest object in the Kuiper belt. Because Pluto's orbit intersects Neptune's orbit, there are periods when Pluto is closer to the Sun than Neptune. Pluto is followed by moons, which have been discovered so far. The first moon of Pluto, Charon, was discovered in the year 1978. The moons Nix and Hydra were discovered in 2005, while the moon named Kerberos was discovered in 2011, and the last moon, Styx, was discovered in 2012. From the time of Pluto's discovery, there was a big debate among astronomers regarding its classification. The reason was that Pluto's size was very small. It was even much smaller than our moon. On October 21, 2003, some pictures were taken in a telescope. In this, a celestial body was changing its position rapidly, January 8, 2005. From the study of the pictures, it was found that this could be a new planet named 2003 UB 313. It was also given a name. The surprising thing was that Gina was larger than Pluto in size, both in diameter and mass, but Gina's orbit was also different from Pluto's. Then the International Astronomical Union faced the question of whether Gina should be considered a planet or not. Even from such observations, it was not clear whether such objects would lead to the discovery of many more planets in the distant universe. Then astronomers felt that there should be a clear distinction for planets, and they too should have a clear definition. Before these discoveries, there was no clear definition of planets. If this was not done, all the objects discovered in the universe would start being considered as planets. Regarding this direction, on August 24, 2006, a major announcement was made by the International Astronomical Union, where approximately 75 countries, thousands of astronomers gathered. For hours, everyone discussed and thoroughly deliberated on one aspect. 3 criteria were also established to classify Pluto as a planet. The first condition was that the body must orbit the Sun. The second condition stated that the body must have sufficient mass for its self-gravity to overcome rigid body forces, so that it assumes a nearly round shape. The third and final condition stated that the body must be large enough to clear its orbit of other debris. And based on this third condition, our 9th planet was not considered a planet, because Pluto's orbit does not clear its neighboring region of other objects. This is why, on August 24, 2006, Pluto was demoted from being a planet. Pluto remained classified as a planet in our solar system for almost 75 years. Today, Pluto is known as a dwarf planet or a minor planet.